All right, hit another one. It's an Xbox. Let's test it. Turns on. And usually when the tester says that there's nothing going on, the hard drive is messed up. Let's take it apart. All right, so we have the drive here, and we're flashing it. All right, that was simple enough. Let's grab another one. It says slim with a broken HDMI port. Let's fix it. Here's the motherboard, and that's the HDMI port right there. All right, we'll remove the broken chip. All right, here's the port under the microscope, looking fresh. And we added that missing filter right there. All right, let's test. Tester says good. And yep, here we have it. Let's move on to the third one. It's the Xbox One S. The HDMI port looks better. However, something else about this console looks a little bit suspect. I'm gonna try to power it on first. It powers on. Major sus on the tester. This is not okay. Multiple shorts. All right, we got the board out here. Let's do the swap. Weird solder ball right here for whatever reason. All right, the ports are off here, ready for the swap. All right, we did the swap here, looking fresh under the microscope. Before we even test anything, just wanted to see if the shorts were gone, and they're still not gone. So we have something wrong with the signaling area. Let's remove the HDMI chip and the filter. Just remove the chip. Let's test for shorts. Yep, the short is gone. The chip is on here. Let's test. All right, it turns on. The tester says okay, and we have 720p. Perfect, nice. I'm gonna put it all together, but let's move on to the next one. All right, it's a regular PlayStation. Let's try to power it on. It powers on. Oh, it dies right away. All right, let's try a different power supply that we know is working. All right, let's try. Oh, it stays on. Okay, so it's the power supply. Tester is good and it's working. All right, let's move on to this one. Big label on this one. He tried to do a lot of different things to it, but he failed. So let's try to fix it. Just doing a physical inspection here. I see the HDMI is broken. It's not gonna turn on. It does turn on. I don't know. Let's test. Oh, it doesn't power on. Nothing here. That's the case of somebody that messed their own system. I'm not gonna do this one right now. I'm gonna have to tell them that it's gonna have multiple repairs. HDMI, no power, who knows what else. But that's it for right. I still have all these 4 big ones, but another day.